All right, guys, this is the first lesson of Unit 2, 2-1, which is on Intro to Graphing Parabolas. Our essential question is, what is the difference between the two graphs that we're going to see in GPS number 1A and 1B? And what caused this to happen? So for your essential question today, as your summary, I want you to go ahead and reflect on the difference between the two graphs. And I want you to tell me your thoughts on why you think that happened. So for our vocab, the first term is called the parent function. And this is the simplest function of any type of function. So every type of function, linear, quadratic, exponential, etc., they each have a parent function, which is the simplest of that function. So for example, the parent linear function is the function y equals x squared. And so I wanted to talk about this one a little bit. And I wanted to show you guys what that looks like. So for that one, here's my pencil. For that one, we have a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of 0. So if we were to graph this on a coordinate plane, our y-intercept is here at 0, 0, and our slope is a positive 1. So we go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And this is the simplest linear function there is, y equals x. Our next term is called a reflection. A reflection is when a figure or graph is reflected across a given line. So if we talk about that function that we just looked at, again, y equals x squared looks like this. The reflection of this is actually going to look like this. And our last term is called standard form of a quadratic equation. Now this is an equation because it says y equals, so keep that in mind. And we have ax squared plus bx plus c. So just like we talked about in the last unit, when you're in standard form, we want to list our terms in descending order. So the highest degree term goes first, which is 2. Then our first degree term, and then our constant, which is the term without the variable. And that is our vocab for this lesson. Super short.